All right, hi everyone. What I'm going to do is kind of show on Miss Davin's head here how to bun your hair. So I'm actually going to start with, she's got medium length hair, so if you have like thicker hair or even a little bit longer hair, it works best to have a braid going into the bun just because it keeps the hair together, makes it easier for wrapping, just makes it easy on yourself. So we're going to start with her hair in 3 sections. I'm just going to do a really, really simple braid all the way down. I'm going to secure the bottom with an elastic just so that it stays put as I try to wrap it. Once my end is secured, what I'm going to do is, it doesn't matter which direction I roll, whether it's to her left or to her right, I'm just going to roll it in this way. As it starts to get tight, it'll start to form to the head. And what we're going to do is, the whole idea is to get that nice and close, so that end of her hair is going to wrap nice and close around. When I do that, I'm going to secure that with another elastic. And it's okay if you don't get all of the hair in one go, that's why we have a hairnet. So I'm just going to wrap around. You see these little tails that are sticking out, that's totally fine, the hairnet will catch those. With a hairnet, you're going to unfold it so that the elastic circle part is going to form around the bun. So again, it's okay if those little parts stick out. What we're going to do is hook it around the bun, pull it nice and taut before you start to twist, catch all of the hair in it, pull it tight, and just keep repeating that until the bun is fully wrapped. Again, it's okay if it's not fully formed to the head right now, because again, that's what bobby pins are for. Once that's wrapped, what we'll do is we'll kind of clean up the whole look of the bun by pinning it into place. So you're gonna catch kind of portions of that hairnet and the bun as you come around. That just keeps holding everything in place. We can come around that way. You want to try and get a little bit of the hair with the hairnet every time you wrap it around. That way it'll stay fully close to the head as long as you can, for especially like with them bouncing around and dancing, kind of keeps everything close to the head. Yeah? It doesn't matter as far as placement wise. If your dancer has longer hair and you can do it like closer to the crown of the head, that's fine. If they have shorter hair, it's easier to do it closer to the nape of the neck or like closer to the middle of the head. That works too. Placement, I'm not worried about, as long as it's neat, slicked back, and has a hairnet over it. That's all that matters.